Imagine this, a plane landing smoothly, safely, and efficiently. This is made possible in part by the unsung heroes of airport maintenance, rubber removal. You see, every time an aircraft lands, it leaves behind a layer of rubber on the runway. Over time, this builds up, reducing the runway's grip and increasing the risk of aircraft skidding. Enter the solution: regular rubber removal. This process not only minimizes skidding risks, but also increases the efficiency of airport. Quicker, safer runway maintenance means less downtime and more flights taking off and landing. So next time you're in a plane touching, remember, it's not just the pilot ensuring your safe landing. It's also the rubber removal, quietly maintaining the integrity of runway surfaces and upholding airport safety standards. In a world where safety and efficiency are top priorities, Smets Technology leads the field in rubber removal. As the top manufacturer of rubber removal equipment, Smets is changing the game in airport maintenance. Their devices, crafted meticulously, are not only cost-effective but also eco-friendly. They use less water and have lower after-sales costs, reducing waste. Airport maintenance crews globally trust Smets Technology for their runway safety needs. So the next time you land smoothly, remember it's not just the pilot but also Smets working in the background to ensure your safety.